Welcome to my channel, beadcreativeonline.myshopify.com. Today's class is going to be Russian Spiral, and I know there's tons of different versions out there, but what I want to show you is we are doing kits, and they're unlimited. You can do kits with semi-precious, you can do kits with crystal, kits with just seed beads, kits with drops, kits with pearls and crystals. So I just wanted to give you some ideas. And today's class is going to be done with hex beads, size 8 hex beads. And they are going to be done with 3 different colors. And this is what our bracelet is going to end up looking like. And we will get you started. On the Russian Spiral, I explained to people that when you're doing the first like ½ inch of it, like, don't answer your telephone. Just focus on doing this, because the only way that I can explain it, I've been teaching it for 25 years, is that it's like holding a raspberry upside down, trying to put something in the raspberry.